Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a side dish for chapati or roti or paratha with a very different kind of an ingredient. Before we go into the process, if you're new to my channel, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can watch my videos on every Monday and Fridays. So let's get into the ingredient list and then start with the process. I've got a deep pan on fire here and I'm getting it heated. Once it's hot, I'm going to pour 3 tablespoons of the ghee. The ghee is going to add a different kind of a flavor to the dish, so please make sure you guys use desi ghee or clarified butter. So we're going to heat up the ghee for a minute. Meanwhile, I've got the spring onions chopped very finely along with the onion bulbs. So I've chopped everything. Please make sure you clean the spring onions really nicely because it's going to have mud at the onion bulb part. So please make sure you soak it in water and clean it properly before you chop the onions into small dices like that. Okay, now my ghee is hot. I'm going to add medium heat. I'm going to add the spring onions into the pot. Now we need to saute this for around 2 minutes. I've been sauteing this onion for 2 minutes. You can see it's become half the quantity that we added into the pot. Now at this stage we are going to add the green chillies. I've chopped up the green chillies. We are going to add that here. Again, saute for a few minutes. I've been sauteing this for around 2 minutes. It's ready. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. I had chopped up the tomatoes to small dices. I'm going to add that into the dish. Then we'll saute it for a few more minutes. The tomatoes have softened now. So now we are going to add all the masala powders. So that's turmeric, red chilli powder, garam masala and salt. Again, we need to saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. I've cooked all the masalas for another 2 minutes and it's ready now to be served with any roti, paratha, pulka, and this will be a very different kind of a sabji. Please do try this.